We've got to be in this cycle of continuous improvement, just this cycle of improvement. The challenge with principals, I mean, you're going to the right person because, yeah, and again, I told this to a group this morning, they're like, things seem to take off at the primary grades and then they fall off at the intermediate and then that's well, that's the principal. The principal's the only person in the building, on campus, that can be frank, they can the only person that can legislate behaviors. They're the only people that can make everyone behave. That the only person, as passionate as you are in your position about, embedding these practices, you don't have the stick. But when I work on site, I want the principals and the teachers in the same room. There are no secrets. There are no secrets because I've been through years of, well, I wish my teachers could hear this, or I wish my principal was here. I was like, well, let's get all in this. There's no secrets, unless I'm doing something specifically tied to leadership. But when it comes to, creating cultures of learning for all, or creating the conditions for equitable practice, I have all in the same room, leaders, and I insist on it.